Technology is evolving at a rapid pace. Data centers today are generating and processing more information than ever before. But with that growth comes the challenge of keeping everything cool. To better understand how integral cooling is to the modern data center, let's compare it to a simple home appliance that we're all familiar with. To put it in perspective, let's compare a server to a toaster. Just like a server in a data center, a toaster converts nearly 100% of all the electrical energy it receives into heat. A standard kitchen toaster uses 1 kilowatt of energy to make toast. The average server rack density in a data center is 30 to 120 kilowatts per rack. That's equivalent to the heat output of 30 to 120 toasters running at once in a small closet. The heat generated by server racks requires increasingly efficient cooling methods to prevent critical processing equipment from overheating. While most data centers have traditionally relied on air cooling, rising processor power and rack densities are pushing those systems to their limits. Water can absorb roughly 4.23 times more heat than air in the same volume. As computing workloads grow hotter and more concentrated, higher capacity liquid cooling technologies are becoming essential. Dixon manufactures and supplies components for liquid cooling systems in data centers. Visit the Data Center Cooling Market page on our website for more information. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at dixonvalve.com. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.